and I. Whoa, we remember when saw.
Very good. Can you sing it one more time for me, please?
Whoa, we remember when saw.
Can you sing the song that you learned at Bible study?
Happy birthday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday.
Excuse you.
Saturday.
Good job. Do you need to blow your nose?
No, I just don't think I want to do it.
Oh, okay.
Did I see it now?
Yeah, you can see it in a minute. Can you sing one more song? Can you sing the happy birthday song to Grace that we sang this morning?
Happy birthday to Grace. Daddy's telling me.
Okay, say bye, Jamie.
Chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets.
Oh, Daddy's singing too.
Is that what you want, buddy?
Okay, say bye, Jamie.